So today is Thursday the 15th of June and we are due to start tearing down, transforming our living room, kitchen area, and I'm so excited because this is going to be the biggest change of the house so far. We have actually already started ripping the wallpaper on this wall, but we've got a whole load more stuff to do. So might as well just show you the before of the living room and the kitchen. Okay, so this is what you see when you first walk in. As you can see, we've started stripping this wallpaper. This is all stripped. There used to be a door here. The carpets are absolutely filthy when we were doing our upstairs renovation, so ignore that. There's loads of stains on it. But yeah, this is the living room. And we've got a lot of work to do because this wall is being taken down. We are going to have like an open sort of staircase, really nice. The TV is going to go on this wall. We're getting rid of the fireplace. We're going to have a nice corner sofa here, and we're going to go for laminate floors. We need to do the ceiling as well, so the ceiling is coming down in the next few days. And yeah, all of this is going. Yeah, it's very messy, as you can see. Okay, so it's been a few weeks, but I thought I would give you guys an update on the living room. As you can see, it's a total mess. Everything has been stripped down, including the ceiling. This wall has been taken down. We are still trying to find the perfect timing to take down this wall. The only reason we're keeping it is just to prevent the dust from going upstairs. But yeah, we are just trying to prepare this room for the electrics and for plaster, but as you can see, it's a total mess. But I've realised I've never showed you guys the kitchen. So the kitchen has also been started on. Obviously the ceiling's gone. But yeah, here's kind of like the before of the kitchen, because we are redoing our entire kitchen. As you can see, it is very like old-fashioned, excuse the tape. But yeah, that's it so far. The layout is absolutely horrible. But yeah, we've got a nice little window. We've added, you can't really see very well, but we've added this wall. There used to be like a big window here, literally like floor to the sort of window, but we've decided to take it out just because we wanted to add more worktop space, and we do have these two pretty big doors and a big window, so we do get quite a bit of light in here anyway. But yeah, this is the before of the kitchen. We do have like a little dining area as well. Yeah, oh my god, this literally looks like a complete mess. But yeah, we've already sorted out our kitchen. Here's like a little sneak peek. Our possible worktop and our, what are they called? Cupboards. There you go. Here's an update of our living room. As you can see, the wall that used to be here is gone, and I can't believe how much space it gives us now. Like, we absolutely love this effect. And this wall had to be reframed. This is going to be like an open entry, and then here's the current kitchen. Obviously, we've still got a lot of work to do. I haven't filmed anything in a while because I haven't really been helping as much. I've just been letting the boys sort of crack on, but the wall is finally up, so that's good. And also we've started doing the lights because we've got the plasterer coming in on Monday, and today is Saturday. We still need to do the lights in the kitchen, and I need to rip out the floors, so I'm going to crack on with that today. But I don't think I showed you guys like the updated like kitchen plan. We initially went with white cabinets, dark grey worktop, but we've decided to kind of switch everything around and go for a dark grey cabinet in silk. Like, splurged a little bit more money on a worktop, so we went with this one, which is from like a local company, and it's quartz, and we literally love it. We thought it would be best for us to actually put the money towards a worktop rather than a cabinet. So that's the plan. That's what they're working off. And yeah, all the sockets are in. And so that's all been chased up. But yeah, it's starting to look really good. Yeah, the plaster is coming in on Monday, and we're just gonna let him crack on so he can do his bit, and hopefully then we can start painting and fitting the kitchen in. Big update, we finally have ceilings, which is such a good progress because we haven't had them for such a long time, but the kitchen has been plastered, well, mostly, and it's finally taken shape. We just have like those little bits left to do, and then the stairs have been done, and then the living room has been started on, but obviously the living room also has a ceiling, which is really good. And yeah, I'm so excited. This is literally like, it's all coming together, and it's all coming together like very fast. I'm just really excited. Thanks for painting our living room.
It's alright. Someone has to do it.
Woo. First coat done. Our kitchen has arrived. Stop. Now we're gonna go tile shopping. Woo.
Beep, beep, boop, bop.
So the base units are in. They're not in yet, but they will be, because we're gonna tile first. But he's just measuring to check if all the pipe is correct. But yeah, here's like a big overview. Our oven, microwaves go in here. We've got a corner unit, pull-out drawers for like our cutlery, like a really long one. We've got our bins like unit here. Whoa. Well, you can see that's not in properly. We've got our corner, it's not even a corner unit, it's a half a corner unit. Basically our sinks go in here. But because of the width of our kitchen, we couldn't have 2 corner units because of the size. So we've got like one proper one and one kind of like half. We can only access it through this door, but it does go all the way back. And this gap will be filled. Unfortunately, it is wasted space, but there's literally nothing that we could have done because they didn't have like the correct size to fit that gap. Then we've got our dishwasher integrated. Then washing machine will go here, and then we've got this cute little end cupboard, and obviously we're still waiting for our wall units to go in, but obviously we are going to tile first. We kind of went with like a really light grey sort of tile on the floor. It's kind of like similar to this kind of colour. And then for our wall tile, there you go, you can see a little bit better here. It's a bit textured, something a little bit different. And then for grout colours, we're going to go for either of those 2 colours, but they kind of look the same. This one matches the cupboards a little bit more. That's actually a perfect colour. But yeah, it's all coming along. Actually about to head out the door, but I completely forgot to show you guys that our worktops got fitted last night. Oh my gosh, how good does that look? Here's like a better look. So yeah, like a marbled effect. I'm literally obsessed with it. I think it looks so nice. Also, I don't think I showed you our floors, but here's our floors. They look so dirty right now because obviously we've had so much work going on around the house. But yeah, here's our floors. They are like a very light grey, but right now it just looks really dirty because of the grout that hasn't been cleaned yet. But oh my god, it looks so good. And obviously here's our tile, which will be going on the walls. So I was just looking to see what it looks like. But we've got our appliances, we've got our washing machine, dishwasher, our hob, and then microwave oven obviously go there. I'm so excited. I can't believe this, but our kitchen is pretty much finished. Or sort of. We've still got the extraction to do. That's why it's missing the cupboard. And also we need to sort out our microwave, but that just needs to be plugged in. But it's all coming together. I need to do a deep clean because my dad is coming today to do the silicone in between the tiles and the worktop. And I've just realised I don't think I showed you the final thing. So here it is. There you go. Here's the kitchen. There you go. Quick overview. I absolutely love how the tiles have turned out. We've gone for like a dark grey grout and it matches the cupboards perfectly, and I love the fact that the tiles are like a little bit textured, and obviously our stunning marbled worktop. Honestly, I'm so happy that we've gone with this because it has turned out amazing. But yeah, here's like a quick overview. Please ignore this. This will eventually be covered up, but we're still, we will get there. But yeah, oven. Also, our fridge has arrived. I don't think I showed you this. It's the Samsung one. Huge update for the living room, but as you can see, we've had our floor installed and I am literally obsessed with it. We've gone for the wooden herringbone effect and we think it looks so good. We've still got our old sofas in here for the time being before we order a new sofa, but obviously that's going to take a few weeks or months for it to arrive. We haven't even ordered one yet, but hopefully we'll find something. And here we've got a stunning Christmas tree. I'm literally obsessed with it. It's a lot bigger than we expected because we originally wanted it to go in either in that corner or in that corner. Also, obviously our TV, and then we also bought a unit from IKEA to go under the TV, but that's currently outside in the garden being painted. There you go. Also, excuse the state of the garden, it's literally a mess. Also in the kitchen, let me turn the lights on. We've had this light installed. Obviously we've still got our table and chairs in for the time being. Yeah, I'm literally obsessed with it. So I'm going to end the video here just because I have been filming this house renovation since July, and the last clip you just saw was filmed just before Christmas, so it has taken us a very long time to get everything done. But we're going to take a bit of a break from redecorating, and we still need to buy stuff like sofa and dining room tables. So I kind of just want to show you the finished like living room and kitchen area when everything's in place. Of course, I'm going to take you along the journey of us buying everything and kind of redecorating, adding like the finishing touches. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.